Welcome back. It's your boy. So what I'm doing right now is I got my neighbor's bike right here. We schmeck it. We're going to our mate's house. Mama that you machinari quite. I have to make sure my phone doesn't fall out of my pocket, you get what I'm saying, so. But I'm on the AliExpress bike and it's alright. The only bad thing about this, it has literally no speed. It's so slow. You good, yeah? Man, Darlington, you get me. No, what can I really say? This thing is a bag of poo, if I think about it. I mean, no, it's better than a Lime bike, that's for sure. But in some ways it's better. Is that M2? What the what are you saying, bro? I'm doing a little recording. It's tough, yo, you know how much this was? £300.
Just for what?
Yeah. But it's hella sick though.
Okay.
It's done it.
Yeah.
The thing is, this is quicker than this. That is quicker than this.
How much is that?
I don't know. It's not mine. It's my neighbor's, bro. It's not mine. I know that thing's quick though.
How do I even ride this?
Huh? You don't know how to ride it?
I've never used this one before. I've only used Lineback.
You want me to show you?
Actually, no, I got it. This one is to drive, back brake, front brake.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Oh no.
Alright, let me try it. Come.
Alright, I'll be back. Come down. Mine's not quick, so.
It's so slow.
Yeah, well, no, you have to push it. You have to push. You have to like give it a push and then go. Yeah. Bro, you left your blink on. He's left his blink on, bro.
M2.
Yeah, bro.
Hey, what's your GoPro?
Huh?
Did you find your GoPro?
No, this is a new one.
That is?
Yeah. It's like proper
Wait,
good.
that's the DJI.
Yeah, DG. There you go, mate. Easy delivery that was. I can't leave it out, so I have to stay on it.
Huh?
I have to stay on it, bro. No. Is it? That was. What the fuck? Aye, mate. Oh, you good, yeah? Huh?
I saw you.
Oh.
Oh, my phone just died.
Lost.
Can you get me here?
Huh? I don't have enough money for it. Because I already spent money on this. I keep forgetting this has no suspension, so if I that up, bang. Huh? What if you get in the basket?
Basket? Huh?
If you get on that, will you fall?
Oh, no, I'm heavy.
Oh.
Oh, hell no.
Ooh. Driftus Maribus. Hi, Marcus, drifter.
I don't know what's which one. I'm sad at the back.
You wanna? How do you even? Oh, wait, hold on.
Try it.
Okay, but these pants don't stick, so if you slip, it's good. It's GG's. Oh look, you can stay.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, that's beautiful, mate. Oh wait, no, that's not beautiful. That's horrible. Yo, the stabilization in this bike when you're on the back is horrible, mate. Easy. No suspension, by the way, so you're gonna hurt your ass.
What the fuck?
Prepare, bro, prepare. Ease.
What the fuck the little kids do?
Bro, they have nothing in them, bro. There, something different about them.
Oh, fucking hell, I'm not doing this. What the fuck's the little kids do?
Now get on the back now.
How the fuck are you getting on the back from? How was?
You walk. Hold on. See, I don't know if that's police or not, so it scares me sometimes. Oh fuck! Know how beautiful this is, bro. Oh, pop, boom, pump. He's gonna. Fuck! Oh no, this is gonna be. It's gonna be a little loud, so I have to. It's so loud, bro. Did I just see Saurons, bro? Oh my god, that is a loud 125. 125 cc, bro. Look at him, bro. I hate these roads, but bro, it's like Netherlands or Belgium, whatever. Not Netherlands, Belgium, bro. Belgium roads. Line bike durability test coming soon. Fuck. Ease. This shit is a bag of poo, man. Saab. They stopped making these. They're proper nice cars, though. Death wobble. Death wobble. Death wobble. Death wobble.
Full of perfume and that'll be it, that's it.
He has potential to be a kick streamer, bro. Asta nu știu cât timp mai are. Nu cred că mai are mult. F***l. Băga mi-aș pur. Dacă nu mai am timp, m-am f***ut de tot. Bă, nici nu mai am baterii cu aia. Bă, ești nebun, mai am 1%. Am belit-o. Am belit pur. Mamă, am belit pur. Dacă nu-i dau Android, am f***ut-o. Vine poliția. Să ia toată marfa. I'm gonna go up there. No, no, no. That's a Bruce Lee.
Who the f*** is this?
I don't know.
Is that a Jawad?
What? Jawad!
That's not Jawad.
Is that Jawad? Mamă, dar vai de pula! Am a quiet. Hold on, I might get some berries actually. Hold on. S-a pișat cineva pe el. Will I able to be?
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh, bro, that's some gay shit, bro.
Tell me when.
Yeah, bro. I think. Hold on. There you go, bro. Holy. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, chill, 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 chill. Chill, 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 chill,
Oh, bro.
chill, 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 chill. Yo, I'm taller than you, so it's worse, and I have a bigger penis, so it's worse.
What about me?
No, yours is small, bro. Yeah, me neither. Actually, of course I can see.
I can see now.
All right, so we're bringing the line back. Oh my! Yo, if we fall, it's GG. I literally can't slow down. I'm on the brakes.
Are you good?
I'm good, yeah? Oh my goodness.
But they're on camera.
Yeah.
You got stuck.
Yeah. Victor!
Chill out the front.
Well, how am I gonna do this? My phone's dead. I'm cooked, bro.
Oh yeah, rubber.
Is it Samsung too?
You got do, I think so, yeah. Is it connected?
A long day.
Disconnect.
Long day. Mate.
Oh yeah.
Oh, thank God, bro. Thank Lord.
How the f you on it?
Where does it say?
That says 0%.
Zero, bro.
That's back.
Now, hold on. Oh, look, there's a chair. Yeah. Huh? No, that was something else. That was not me. Let's go home.
Alright.
That was £3.40. Bosh.